Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Albertville local and long-distance movers near me. If you're looking for a reliable and cheap Albertville moving company, then 3 Movers is the team you're looking for. With us, you won't have anything to worry about other than preparing your things. We assure an efficient and smooth moving process for your home, business, apartment, dorm room, or anything you need to move. If you're planning a long-distance move, here are just some of the benefits that you can expect from us. Packing services. Our packing services will save you the time and effort to pack all of your things. Moving supplies. If you prefer to do the packing on your own, we have all the right packing supplies to make it easier. An on-time move. There's nothing worse than being untimely with moving, transporting things, and overall settling in a new place. This is what you won't go through with our always-on-time team. Upfront pricing. We offer an accurate moving quote for all customers before they hire us. Licensed and insured. Our team will make sure your belongings are safe throughout the entire move. When you hire us, you get a team ready to make relocating easier. We understand how stressful a long-distance move can be. With our help, you can move one state over or several states away without the hassle. When you hire us, you get a team ready to make relocating easier. We understand how stressful a long-distance move can be. Even local moves require a lot of care and attention from an Alabama moving company. No matter if you're just moving down the street, it's a big job. You still have to pack up everything, load it up, unload it, and unpack it at your new location. Hiring the right movers can make this process so much easier. 3 Movers makes it super simple to move locally. We streamline the process to save you time and energy. Imagine settling into your new place with plenty of energy to actually enjoy it. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.